It's like, will you like smelt iron or gold?
Anong furnace? What's furnace?
You don't know what a furnace is.
Ano nga? What is it?
A furnace, like, you can like smelt or iron or gold. If it's
Melt iron or gold?
smelt.
Anong smelt? Saan galing yung word na yun? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
It's like a furnace, but it's kind of looks like a furnace, but it kind of looks like you're like cooking barbecue.
Cooking barbecue? Hindi yun oven?
It is an oven. A furnace is like it's like will you like smelt iron or gold?
Smelting or melting? Ano yun?
Smelting.
Ano yung smelt? Ano yung
It's not like you're smelling.
furnish? Ano yun? Paano yun? Ano yung spelling?
Furnace.
Ah, ano ibig sabihin nun?
It can smelt stuff if it's an ore.
Or? What's or? Anong or? Oh my God.
You don't know what's an ore.
No.
It kind of looks like a rock, but outside of it, it's like it can be like coal, iron, gold, diamond, even an emerald too.
Oh my God.
Also, when you put it in the furnace, it literally smelts, and it can turn into real money. Type it into Google and you will see.
Type it in. Alam mo, I have no idea what you are talking about. Chewy? Chewy, ang bobo natin, wala tayong alam. Where did you learn that?
I don't know.
Tapos yung module mo, napakasimple, hindi mo masagutan. Yung mga smelting na yan, ang dami mong alam. Ito lang naman ang tinatanong sa module. O ayan, maglista ng, magmasid sa inyong bahay, ilista ang lahat ng mga kasangkapan na gumagamit ng elektrisidad. Huwag mo na pahirapan yung sarili mo. Yung nakikita mo lang dito, huwag mo na pahirapan si mami mag-isip because I don't know what you are talking about. Wala tayo niyan. Smelting metals? Sure ka? Na-smelt ng metal? Yung ano sabi mo? Furnish?
Furnace.
Furnace?
Furnace.
O, sige i-google. Sure ka dyan sa sinasabi mo
Yes.
Okay, google ni mami. Kung sa furnace na yan. Saan mo natutunan? Saan mo narinig yan?
In my head?
Sa YouTube?
No, in my head.
Sa YouTube mo nakita yan,
No, I did not. Did you just saw there's like what's a furnace in the YouTube search? No.
Ginugel mo yan?
No, I did not.
Paano mo nalaman?
In my head.
Ewan ko sa iyo, Ang totoo nga, saan mo napanood mo sa TV?
No.
Sa YouTube?
No. Tell the truth.
Kaya nga, paano mo nga nalaman kung hindi nabasa mo? Hindi ka naman nagbabasa? Sa Google?
In my head.
Kanino mo narinig? Kay Daddy Peter?
Myself.
Mag face to face na kaya ng school? Nahihirapan ako sa batang to. Oh my God.
A furnace in a robot.
Gamit sa bahay. Ba't nakarating ka sa robot?
What? It's metal and it's made of electric.
It's
Inside of it, it's electric.
Oh, what? Inside of what?
The weight of it's like a tiny generator, and the body is kind of look like metal to me.
Oh my God. The body ng ng robot?
Yes. The body kind of looks like us, but the blood is literally metal.
The blood is, ano ba yun?
What?
Huwag mo na nga akong pahirapan. Ang sabi dyan, napakasimple lang ang sabi dyan, yung mga gamit lang sa bahay na gumagamit ng electric. Kung saan ka nakarating, magugugol pa ako dyan sa furnace na yan. Hindi ko alam yan.
Air conditioner, that's made of electric.
I don't have tears. I'm happy.
No. In my calculation, tears come from eyes, and I can see in my X-ray vision you're literally tearing because I can see the white thingy.
Not.
Yes, I
Bakit
can
naman ako magka-cry?
because you're really proud of me.